Hey, folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. In today's video, I want to go over the chart of CRR, Carbo Ceramics Incorporated. And the reason why I want to go over it is because it appears that it's breaking out on the daily chart. And again, I want to show you this. First off, look at where the chart has gone from. And this is an oil player, so obviously it's been hammered with oil as of recently. But look at this. It was a $150 plus stock in June, July. From that point, it's collapsed all the way down sub $50 and is just beginning to move here back above the 20 moving average. And that's what I want to draw your attention to. So you have a 20 moving average breakout here. Now, normally moving above the 20 MA is not that impressive, but in this situation, it's proven that that's the big level for the stock. Because, again, if you look at this situation and I zoom in, so the stock, again, collapsed down here, and then look at all the times it's tested or pierced the 20 moving average. All the way along here. Here it was sharply above and came back in. Here it pierced, and came back in. Here it hit it and pierced and pulled back. And then ultimately, finally, and again, the more something hits a level and can't close above, the bigger a deal it is when it does close above. And that makes sense, right? I mean, think about the psychological impact of something like this as a positive, right? I mean, if you have the hardest lockbox to crack the code on, right, safe, and you try for days and days, months and months, and finally you do it, well, obviously you're going to feel a lot better about yourself when you finally do it, like it's a huge accomplishment, as opposed to you just kind of sitting down and saying, click, click, done. You know, that's like, all right, no big deal, I did it. But if you have to struggle to do something, it's always more rewarding. And in this case, you can see yesterday, or I should say Friday, you closed above the 20 MA for the first time in literally months. Today, you're seeing follow-through action. This, to me, says that CRR is going to head to the 50 MA and this pivot top area right here, and that is at a price of around $57. So you still have another 10+% on this to go before it hits any sort of meaningful resistance. At that level, you want to take off at least half the position, and then if you want to let the rest run, that's up to you. But again, I'll be most likely looking to take it all off at that point in time. So again, CRR looks like a great potential player here. And again, I like the follow through we're seeing today. Potential breakout on CRR. Come join us at InTheMoneyStocks.com. The research center is where it's at if you're a swing trader who wants stock alerts. And again, join us here at InTheMoneyStocks.com.